motherfucker.
I'm a fucking god! So now we're trying to get Call of Duty going. So we play COD for like a good hour or so. Play some cyber attack. Yeah, there is no input lag right now. This is like literally perfect. All right, Sans, look at this inspect animation. Watch this. This is one of my favorite snipers. That's why like this game is way better than Black Ops. That's if people are like constantly going in and out of the lobby. But 90% of the time, whoever is like next to you in the lobby. Damn. How much to swap places with the chair? No, they did. Yeah, I'm playing like a fucking champ now with this new capture card. Hell fucking yeah. Jay, they're behind you shooting.
Come here, bitch.
What the hell are you doing?
Don't mess with me, bitch!
Another one.
We have to get to the bomb. Get to the bomb! Oh, you got it, big bet.
Hello, motherfucker.
I'm so fucking happy I got this new capture card. Yeah, I got my boneless Cronus on. Damn, you seeing your ass is swallowing the chair? Hey, yo, your ass is swallowing the oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Yeah, this is about to be a walkthrough.
Hello, my friend.
Oh my god. Oh god! I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm a god. You're lagging again, Jay? That was crazy. Oh, don't worry, Sans. I am fucking cooking. Call Gordon Ramsay up in here right now. What? Oh my motherfucker! Not $1. Damn. Yep.
Yes, Daddy.
Why hasn't my hunter killer fucking killed somebody? No shit, the battery's low. It ain't doing shit but flying around. What horror game am I playing first? Probably Trollbox. Fuck! God damn it. Go right into that. Yep, go prone. Revive me. You got me. You said Ben and Jerry?
Oh, camper, camper.
Aight, motherfucker! Where? Where? Oh my god! Fuck! Oh wow. You're hunter killer. Wow, that's crazy. That was crazy, bro. I don't understand how your hunter killer killed somebody, but my two were just flying around doing nothing. Blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna be playing it for a little bit, Sans, so you got some time. I'll be here. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Hey, what happened?
Oh my god.
I'm so fucking scared right now!
Fuck! Hey, I'm down at the catwalk on the right side of the map. Outside.
Kiss my ass.
Your heart rate is elevated. Most impressive.
Hello!
Don't worry, I will keep count.
Yes, sir! That's crazy work, sir. Fuck! It was the fucking claymore. It was a claymore, bro. Oh, back of the plane, back of the plane, back of the plane. Got him.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I see no extensive damage. Get back to the fight.
Fuck! I knew he was watching me, bro.
Don't worry, I will.
Hello, motherfucker.
I'm a fucking god! Let's go! I'm going crazy right now. They ain't ready for me, Jay. You hear me? They ain't ready. You see the sands? They ain't ready. I'm cooking up in here. There we go. Hey, Lord Farquaad, time to pack it up, buddy. ACDC, let's go. Go, go, go. You're alive. Motherfucker Sonic, bruh.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ah. Yeah, Ashy needs. Oh my god, he's got to be hacking, bro.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the thunder?